How to cancel TuneCore subscription. I am going to show you how you can easily cancel your TuneCore subscription. First, open your TuneCore account on your device. Now I am going to provide some information about canceling your subscription. Enter the email address registered to your TuneCore account in the available field on the cancellation form. You will then receive an email with instructions and a direct link to manage your subscriptions. You will be able to individually cancel the renewal of any active release or permanently take the release down from stores if you prefer that option. You must submit a cancellation request prior to the renewal date to avoid being charged. Submitting a cancellation request on the date of renewal or at a later time cancels your next renewal period. It will not refund you for the renewal that has just taken place. Now go back to your TuneCore account. Scroll down and click on Contact. Click on Submit a Request. Write Cancel my TuneCore subscription and send it. They will provide the information you need to read. Click on the link provided. As you can see, our issue has already been selected as a cancel renewal request. Enter your email address. You can add files if needed. Click on Submit. Soon, they will cancel your TuneCore subscription.